how to create an account on Gumroad. So if you want to create an account on Gumroad, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your favorite browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for Gumroad. Once you've searched, you need to go with gumroad.com, which will take you to the website. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After the connection, you need to go with login, which is on the top right. Once you go with login, here you will have sign up on the top right again. So go with sign up. And after going to sign up, now you can either create your account with your email and your password, or you can also continue with your Facebook, Google, Twitter, or X, or Stripe. So I'll just simply go with email, enter your email address, and then create your password. After creating your password and your email, you need to go with create account, and that's it. Your account has been created. Now you can go with your home page and create your first product. That's how you can create an account on Gumroad. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.